Welcome to Finance Decoded, where we turn financial confusion into clarity. Today we're diving deep into a topic that nearly everyone dreams of: financial freedom. But here's the thing. Most people talk about it like it's a fantasy or a goal for someday. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 practical strategies that truly work. These aren't overnight tricks or hollow motivational quotes. These are real, proven steps you can begin today. If you stay until the end, I'll also share a bonus perspective that might completely shift how you see money. Let's get started. What is financial freedom? Before we jump into the how, let's get clear on the what. Financial freedom doesn't mean owning a Lamborghini or retiring at 30. It means having the ability to make life decisions without being overly stressed about money. For some, that's having enough passive income to cover their bills. For others, it's simply being debt-free and saving consistently. The real definition is freedom of choice, the power to walk away from a job, pursue a dream, help family, or just sleep peacefully at night, knowing your finances are stable. Strategy number 1, spend less than you earn. It sounds basic, right? But this is the foundation of everything. Too many people increase their spending as their income rises. It's called lifestyle inflation. Instead of upgrading your car or buying the latest phone every year, redirect that extra cash toward your goals. Here's a rule: spend like you're broke, save like you're rich. A simple exercise: track every expense for 30 days, no exceptions. Identify where your money leaks. Cut or reduce 3 non-essential categories. Real example: Sarah earns $3,000 per month. She tracks and realizes $500 goes to food delivery. She cuts that in half, saving $250 a month, or $3,000 a year. That's one behavior shift. Financial freedom starts with awareness. Strategy number 2, automate and budget smart. Budgeting isn't about saying no to coffee. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Start with a simple 50-30-20 system. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, investing. Even better? Automate everything. Bills, set to auto pay. Savings, move money to savings account on payday. Investments, set up automatic transfers to ETF or retirement account. App suggestions: Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard for budgeting. Wealthfront or Betterment for automation. The less you rely on willpower, the more consistent you'll be. Strategy number 3, invest early and often. You can't save your way to wealth. You have to invest. The earlier you start, the less money you need. Quick example: if you invest $300 per month starting at 25 and earn a modest 7% return, you'll have about $500,000 by age 60. Wait until 35 to start? You'll only have $250,000. Where to invest? Start with index funds like the S&P 500. Use ETFs if you want flexibility. Contribute to retirement accounts like IRAs or employer-sponsored plans. Avoid day trading, crypto hype, or anything you don't understand fully. Compound interest is your best friend, but only if you start early and stay consistent. Strategy number 4, build multiple income streams. One income equals fragile. Most wealthy people have 3, 4, or more income sources. You don't need to be a millionaire to diversify. Start a side hustle, freelance, consulting, teaching. Launch a digital product, ebook, course. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Buy a rental property, long-term goal. Create a faceless YouTube channel like this one. Think of it like this: your 9-to-5 job should pay your bills. Your side income should build your freedom. You don't need to hustle 24/7, but putting 5 to 10 hours a week into something scalable can change your entire future. Strategy number 5, change your mindset about money. The final strategy might be the most important. You will never grow beyond what you believe you deserve. People with a scarcity mindset think money is limited, risky, and hard to earn. They sabotage themselves. People with a growth mindset see money as a tool. They believe it flows, grows, and serves purpose. Ask yourself, do I feel guilty wanting more money? Do I believe I can become financially free? Do I act like someone who values financial discipline? Start reading books like The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Surround yourself with content that empowers, not scares. Let's recap. Spend less than you earn. Automate and budget. Invest consistently. Build multiple income streams. Shift your money mindset. These aren't quick hacks. They're powerful habits. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 are you starting this week? If you like this breakdown, subscribe to Finance Decoded. More no-fluff, actionable finance content is on the way. See you in the next video.